Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little more work with you about drawing the human head. So I'm going to start by making a point for the head at the top of the page, coming down to where I think the bottom of the chin will be, making a point there. And then halfway between the top of the head and the bottom of the chin, making a point for where the neck will be. They say the neck is about half the size of the whole head, especially if you look at it from the side. So first I'm going to box in just a simple oval shape. It's actually more of a hard-boiled egg shape. If you think of a hard-boiled egg, that's actually what we're drawing, hard-boiled egg. Now there's a cylinder here for the neck, which is a little narrower, and then you can add on shoulders if you like, and they say there's half an egg here from the top of the head down to the shoulders, so you know how the size to make the shoulders. Now halfway between both sides of the head, you're going to make a vertical going down from the top of your head down to the chin, and halfway between the chin and the top of the head, you're going to do a line like this for about where the eyes go. Halfway between the eyes and the chin is where the bottom of the nose will be, so I make another line. And then halfway between the bottom of the nose and the chin is where the mouth will go, so I make another line there. Where the hairline is going to start is usually you go about from the eyes, you're only going to go up about 3/4 to the top of the head. That'll be where the hair will start. You can do any hairstyle you want. I like to do the hair early because it's such a big shape. I'm going to box in sort of almost like a gelled up style haircut. Right now I'm going to blend everything so I can see a little better. I'm using charcoal and I got a little bit dark some areas. Blend that all in. Now I'm going to take my eraser and pull out lights. You can do this with a pencil too. Now one thing I want to show you real quick in my book is that if you look at this guy's face, you'll see that where the light is hitting is where the features of the face have to be popping off the face more. So like, for example, the forehead, because the forehead sticks out, it's got to catch more light. That's why it's brighter there. Same thing with the nose and same thing with the cheekbones there. That's why other parts of the face are catching more shadow and those parts that hang out more are catching more light. And even the tops of his hair have to catch more light because the light comes down and it's going to hit the first thing closest to it. And if there's things that are kind of a little more tucked in underneath, they won't catch as much light. So that's what I'm thinking about as I erase on this right now. I'm going to pull out lights in the forehead. And then I'm going to pull out lights on the nose. And then I'm going to pull out a little more on the nose. You want it to be wider where the bottom of the nose is going to be. And then I've already got some nice lights here where the cheekbones are, but I'm going to add a little bit more. Add a little bit more. Probably even more than that. It can come down gradually to the next area. Now even above the lip, I'm going to add a little light above where the lip would be. And then even below the lips, the chin can catch a little bit too. Even if it's tucked in underneath, the chin sticks out more, so it could catch a little bit more light. There's a side plane here on the lower side cheek jaw where you still want it to be gray, but a little more light there can come in and reinforce a line here. Blend that, cut into it. I know he's looking almost like the Joker right now, and I wasn't trying to do that at all, but it is interesting. And now I'm going to also pull out a little bit of light on the neck. This is just me doing a head out of my head, no pun intended, and sometimes it comes out a little weird. All right.
Make sure to add either a square or a circle to the back of the head when you're drawing it from the side view, because the head comes further back and you see it from the side.